latte. I like pumpkin spice, I like apple, like I do not discriminate. It tastes like sweet potato pie. So this iced latte is everything, everything. So we're going to start this the proper way. I learned from the baristas online. You want to put your syrup of choice at the bottom of your glass for your espresso. So before your espresso goes in, I'm doing a sweet potato syrup that I purchased online. I found actually on TikTok. I'll put the name down below. And then you're going to add your espresso. I'm doing a double espresso dose, which is a heavier taste, so I want a strong taste. And then I've also put sugar-free caramel plus sweet potato. Really makes this latte shine. This is my favorite part in the morning. Ugh, it just makes my day right here. Once we have our espresso made, we're going to pour that at the bottom. That's going to be our first thing. I'm going to pair my cold foam first and then finish the rest of our latte. Now the cold foam's pretty simple and easy. I'm going with a heavy whipping cream. You are going to do 2 tablespoons, of that. And then you're going to do 3 tablespoons of your favorite milk. I'm going with almond milk. That is just one of my favorites. Oat milk is another great option. And because we're making this a sweet potato pie cold foam, we're going to add some more of that sweet potato syrup, and you're just going to do a tablespoon of that. You can also do caramel if you don't have sweet potato. Again, still great flavor. Now to make sure we have the right order, you're going to start next with your milk on top of your espresso, or if you like a creamer, and then you are going to add your ice, and that definitely made a difference. The baristas were right. And then I'm going to add my cold foam on top, and I also have some finishing sugars I order online. Apparently they have them in stores, but I can never find them. I will link them down below in my description box. Try this recipe and let me know what you think. Like and follow for more because I gotcha.